Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine and well. According to today's lesson planner, we are going to solve exercise B and C of unit number 12. The king keeps his appointment. Yesterday we learned the formation of simple tenses. Today we are going to learn how to form continuous tenses and perfect tenses. Exercise B is related to continuous tenses. Here some examples of has been given. Past continuous tense is formed by using was and were as helping verb and first form of verb plus ing. For example, she was sitting, she was crying, she was working. Here our subject is singular, that's why was has been used. If our subject is plural, then we use were. In present continuous tense, we use is, am, are as helping verbs and present participle. Present participle mean first form of verb with ing. With singular subject we use is, with plural subject we use are, and with I we use am. The examples are she is sitting, she is crying, she is working. In future perfect tense, we use will be and shall be as helping verbs plus present participle. Here the examples are she will be sitting, he will be crying, he will be working. With I and we use shall be. Here are some other examples. Present continuous tense, he was, this is past continuous tense, he was dancing, I was dancing, they were dancing. Here subject is plural, that's why they have used were. Present continuous tense, he is dancing, I am dancing. Here am has been used with I, they are dancing, and with plural we use are in present continuous tense. Here are the examples of future continuous tense. He will be dancing, I will be dancing, or I shall be dancing. Both are correct. They will be dancing. Now let's move towards the exercise. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with the correct form of the continuous tense. A. The child dashed on the branch when he fell. Fell tells that this is past tense, so the first part of the sentence will also be in past. Here we will write was sitting. Our subject is singular, that's why we are using was. B. Tomorrow the hunters dash the forest. Tomorrow shows that the sentence will be in future continuous tense, so we will use will be leaving. C. They dashed at the bus stop yesterday. Yesterday shows that this is related to past tense, so we will use were waiting because our subject is plural, that's why we are using were. D. I dash this page now. Now shows that this is present tense, so we are using am reading. With I we use am. E. Yesterday the birds dashed their wings. Yesterday shows that this is related to past tense, so we are using were spreading because our subject is plural, that's why we are using were plus present participle. Now let's move towards the next exercise C. Here we are going to learn about perfect tenses. Here the examples have been given. Past perfect tense is formed by using had plus third form of verb. Ali had walked. Present perfect tense is formed by using has and have as helping verb plus third form of verb. Here the example is Ali has walked. If our subject is plural, then we use have. Future perfect tense is formed by using will have or shall have plus third form of verb. Here the example is Ali will have walked. With I and we use shall have. Here some more examples have been given related to past perfect tense, present perfect tense. For example, I have spoken to John, the cats have eaten all the meat, she has arrived. These sentences are in present perfect tense. Here is an example of past perfect tense. The train had left when I reached the station. Here first part of the tense is in past perfect tense and the other one is in simple past. In future tense, we use the future perfect tense when we expect an action in the future to be completed by a certain time. For example, you will have finished this book by the end of the year. Now keep this thing in mind that in past perfect tense we use had with third form of verb. In present perfect tense we use has and have with third form of verb, and in future perfect tense we use will have or shall have with third form of verb. Now let's move towards the exercise. 1. Use the verbs below to write sentences in past perfect tense. The first verb is break, and the sentence is he had broken all his toys. B. The verb is show, and the sentence is she had shown me her new dress. You can make your own sentences. Number 2. Use the words below to write sentences in present perfect tense. The first verb is buy. I have bought some new books. And the second verb is throw. She has thrown the rubbish in the bin. 3. Use the words below to write sentences in future perfect tense. The given verb is see. I shall have seen all the monuments till next week. The next verb is take. He will have taken the medicine. You can form your own sentences if you want. Now solve this exercise and these two exercises on your workbook and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.